A smoothie, freshly blended, anywhere. The Nutribullet Flip combines a blender and an insulated travel cup in one product. A product that requires explanation for a young, sporty target group and therefore has to convince and stand out at the point of sale. For the Nutribullet team, retail is the most important touch point. The Flip was not meant to disappear on the shelf. It had to become visible, out of the shelf line, into the aisle. The path there began in 3D, not as a rendering, but as a thinking tool for proportion, functionality, and spatial presence. The corrugated display adopts the product's design language: rounded sides, bold color coding, lightweight and elegant, a presence that's instantly understood. At eye level, the demo unit. Below, space for 12 units in 3 trend colors, clearly arranged and ready for immediate takeaway. The display, pre-packed and compact for consumer electronics retail, as a floor stand or quarter pallet. Remove the hood, lift the lid, ready for sell-through. The result? Shoppers reach for it. Retailers are impressed. The Nutribullet Flip, a decisive step toward market leadership in portable blenders. The placement is replenished repeatedly over a 6-month period. No one passes this display unnoticed.